Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. This is once again Unbox and Chill. We do have an unboxing today. We're going to take a look at a Watch Gang watch. It is a watch that I got from their wheel, where essentially you can purchase watches, add them to a wheel, and then maybe win one of higher value. We're going to take a look at this. This is from the second tier. We're going to see what that entails. Watch Gang is a subscription box service, but you can also purchase watches on the side, just to kind of put that out there for anyone who doesn't know. I do want to say at the top of the video, kind of before I get ready here, with what's going on, guys, just wash your hands and stay home. That's really it. That's the best way to kind of combat this scenario. But again, I do appreciate you stopping in and, watching an unboxing with me, okay? Do me a huge favor at the top of the video, I want to say. Hit that subscribe button. So we're growing a channel here. Things are moving along nicely. I think we're at 164 subscribers at the time of this. Just saying, if you can hear my voice, be that cool guy or girl, hit that subscribe button, okay? So let's get down to it, okay? We'll do a wrist check. I'm wearing the Blacklist. It's the Streetmatic chronograph in Rosso Corsa, which is just like a red. I did unbox that last time. I will add the link in the description box. This is the box here. We unboxed it. We got it on now. We sized it. If you want to see a couple more details, I will leave that link in the description box so that you can check that out, okay? So now, this particular watch, I do like it. I like it a lot. This new one that we're going to take a look at, okay? Again, it's from Watch Gang. It was a tier 2 wheel watch. Let's take a quick look at it, okay? So the first thing is that doesn't come in a box. So I guess it's not really an unboxing. It was mailed to me in a box, and I do still have the box here, but it actually comes in like a leather, satchel, or a leather, not satchel, a leather like carrying pouch you get, like kind of like a watch roll. You get your own little roll here with each purchase. So if you're traveling, you can just throw it in the suitcase, okay? So let's take a look here. So we'll undo this. Right, so it's good leather. I mean, it smells good anyway. The leather smells really good. It doesn't, I mean, obviously it's not like crazy leather, but it also doesn't really, it doesn't smell cheap, I will say that. So that's the brand there. This is Aquacy, okay? Or at least I'm assuming that's how you say it, Aquacy. Let's see here. So we've got the warranty card here for Aquacy, okay? And then this particular model, guys, is the, as I slide it out here, the Cave Diver, okay? So let's bring that in for some detail here. So this is the Cave Diver. I think a piece of the plastic just fell. But this is the Cave Diver. So this is, as you can see, it's got the open heart, okay? It does have a blue, it's got kind of a blue metallic color to it. I like that a lot, actually. I like the dial, and then it's got a glass. If you can look at the bezel here, as you can see, that's I thought it was ceramic. It's actually just a glass, so it's a glass bezel there. But a very attractive, very good-looking watch. We're going to take a look at the specs. We'll see about the movement and everything. So you can see we've got the logo there. On the back, they do the logo real big on that see-through case back. And then in terms of the band here, it is, oh yeah, that's the plastic. I felt this coming off there. In terms of the band here, this band is, I believe it says it's saddle leather, as you can see there. So it doesn't feel, it's not obviously the highest, most craziest supple leather, but it definitely does not feel cheap. I will say that. This feels good for the price, okay? And then up here on the buckle, we've got the logo here, it looks like, up here on the buckle on the side. So, but this is it here. This is the Aquacy Cave Diver. Now the movement, I remember looking that up. The movement here, before I looked it up obviously before, but once I took it out of the box, the movement here is it's a Seiko. I believe it's NH. I thought it was NH39. So again, it is a Seiko movement, so it is a quality movement. It's not one of those kind of junky Chinese. It's not some no-name Chinese movement or anything like that. So it does have a nice Seiko movement. We'll take a look at the actual specs here. Now, I will say, when I got this watch, I kept thinking to myself, this would look so nice on, you know, just with the metal bracelet. If it had a shark mesh or something like that. So I'll tell you what I did. So I actually have 2 of these watches. And I put the other one on shark mesh. So let's take a look here. So this is it here. This is the same watch. So I ended up with 2 of them. This is how it comes. It comes with this band. So it does have the blue there. It is saddle leather. It's pretty thick. It's not a bad band by any means. But I'm more of a stainless guy. So I went ahead on Amazon. I just bought kind of an aftermarket, you know, shark mesh bracelet to put on here. We're gonna try it on, and I'll show it. Basically, I'll show you what it looks like with the shark mesh band on here. So now we've got that on. We'll lock that in, and you know, check that out, guys. It's really not a bad looking piece, especially in my opinion with the shark mesh band. I think that really it just adds a little bit of extra pop, you know, to the piece here. So, and then you can see that open heart beating away there as it is ticking. So now you can see already on here it has 200 meters water resistance. They did put that on the dial. So 200 meters water resistance. Let's see here. It looks like the crystal looks like it's just very slightly domed. We'll see what it's made out of here. But nice smooth sweep on that. It's a very nice piece. Let's take a look at the specs real quick here, guys. But I personally, I'm a stainless guy, and I just think it looks so much better on the shark mesh. And perhaps when I get to that 500, since I will have this piece, I can go ahead and give one away. You know, I can go ahead and send this out to someone once I reach 500, and then we'll do a bigger giveaway once we reach 1,000 here. Let me pull up the website. Oh, here we go. Okay, so this is the website here. So this is the Aquacy website, and it's kind of a stripped down, bare bones website, to be honest with you. It's not, they don't have a crazy amount going on. As you can see, if you were to get this not from Watch Gang, but straight from the website for these guys, it's $239. Okay, if you get these on Watch Gang right now, I believe it's like $160. Okay, if you get these on the Watch Gang wheel, so it's a little bit less money, a little bit less. So if you get it directly from them, it looks like it's $239, and then you can see what their MSRP is, and they've got that crossed out because, you know, look, listen, no watch sells with MSRP. So we've got a case size of 42 millimeters. Okay, you can see that the case finish, they've got it brushed, you know, mixture brushed and polished. 316L stainless steel. You can take a look here and see the you know, the bezel. Like I said, that's glass. The case back is exhibition. Let's see here. You've got a sapphire coated coating on this. Okay, so it's not full sapphire, but it is sapphire coated. You can see the crown. It is signed. I showed you that. Let's see here. So we do have the dial color. It looks like a vintage blue is what they have on here. So, like I said, here's kind of the rest of just the general specs here. You've got the movement. Now, it does say Japan. Oh, I didn't mean to bump the camera here. It does say just Japan, but down here it goes into the actual details. So it's NH38. So you see that NH38, and then it says right here, manufactured by Seiko. So it's NH38 movement. Listen, I'm familiar with NH35 and NH35A. I had not heard of NH38, but listen. We learn something new every day, don't we? So NH38 movement is what this has in it. So listen, I mean, you know, if it's Seiko, I mean, I trust it's, you know, of somewhat decent quality in terms of the movement. We're not gonna have to worry about any issues with it. And again, it's not one of these off-brand, you know, kind of Chinese movements from Alibaba, something like that. But listen. This is a very nice piece to me. I don't mind an open heart. I think it's nice to have a couple open heart pieces in your collection. I know open heart can be somewhat controversial. I do like the glass bezel. The blue face is very nice. The blue dial, I mean, is very nice. It's a nice piece. It's a nice throw on and you know, just kind of take it easy piece. If you want your chance basically to get one of your own, because I do have another one here. I have 2 of them. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You know, as the channel grows here, like I said, I get to 500. I really want to do a giveaway, mail one of these out to somebody. And then once I get to 1,000, maybe we'll do a little bit larger giveaway. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you stopping in. Like I said, let me know what you think about this watch in the comment section below. Do you like it? Do you not like it? At about 160 bucks, is it good value for money? I think it is. Seiko movement, listen, maybe, some of the other stuff in terms of it's only a coated sapphire, stuff like that, I don't think is a huge deal. I don't beat my watches up too much. And I think once you pop that shark mesh on there, I just think the watch really, really pops, guys. So thank you so much for tuning in. This has been Unbox and Chill. Goodbye.